Hi everybody, it's Joy Hale and I'm here to show you what I made with January's bargain bead box, the Dusty Rose. Here are the first earrings that I made. I really love the rhodonite, it's so pretty. I enjoyed making these earrings, doing a little wrapped loop, and I put these cute ear wires on there. Yeah, they're just really cute and I love the rhodonite. The next thing that I made is this bracelet. I did a little bit of weaving with it, even though it's the tiger tail wire. I enjoyed adding different things to this piece, and yeah, it's just really cute with the rhodonite and the copper bicones and those rounds. Next, let's see, what did I make next? I made this necklace with the big medallion. It's really pretty. It's a very eclectic piece. Lots of different things in this necklace. I love these little medallion coins. I'm going to have to get some more of these because they are my favorite. And I think I use a little bit of everything. I just really enjoyed putting it together and trying different things. So, yeah, I used the little toggle on that. That's the one from this box. Okay, what's next? Oh, I made this beautiful necklace with our main pendant, the rhodonite and copper pendant. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? It's just such a pretty piece. I love the chain and all the different little pieces. These faceted coins are probably my favorite thing. I just wanted it to be somewhat simple. Put those little rounds on there. And I just feel like it's very classy. And then, of course, the toggle. And everything just matches so perfectly. It makes for a really pretty design. Little rondelles in there. Yeah, so that's what I did. Here's my matching earrings that I made. Again, we have all these cute medallion-y things with the copper and the little drops on there. With those faceted coins on the earrings too. So that was really fun. And these are my favorite ear wires. I use these for everything. And these are actually rose gold, but they matched the copper really well. So I use them in a lot of the earrings that I made. This piece I had a lot of fun with. This was a rose that I had in my stash. And I just thought it went really well with the Dusty Rose collection. Did a little wire wrapping, on the drop and another faceted coin. Just really love how this turned out. It's just really pretty. The rose is just so cute. And then I just did mostly pink rhodonite and then some of the little bitty rounds. And this necklace is like a choker style. And it looks really neat with the drop coming down like that. I found this clasp in my stash too that also coordinated really well with all that fun copper, and I just love how this one turned out. This one I had so much fun with. I did a new technique for me. I took a piece of wire and actually hammered it, and then I put the rhodonite rounds on there and wired them onto the hammered frame, and it just looks really neat. It's very different, simple, but I feel like it makes a really neat statement. And I used the Figaro chain on this piece that I had in copper also. It's just really fun. And then I made a pair of earrings, more earrings that have the medallions and the ear wires that I love. And these ovals were not in the box, but I found them in my stash and I just felt like they coordinated with everything else, so I enjoyed making those. Okay, so on this one, I did my toggle around the front because I thought it looked really cool. And then I made some chain drops with rounds and then the caps that we got. And it just makes a really sweet statement piece with those drops down. And then the center one, I did like a little round on it, so it's a little different than the others. It's a really fun piece. And I made matching earrings, of course, and these ones are just super, I don't know, like fancy. I think they're fancy. So that was really fun. Oh, I made this double necklace that I really, really love. It is a two-tiered necklace, and I mostly just focused on the beads in this necklace and no main pendant. I like how it turned out, focusing on those beads in the center, and then of course the toggle. Okay, so with this one, I used those really cool shells that we got. I guess they're shell pearls in that pink, and I made a wrap bracelet and I put those little medallion charms on there. I love how this turned out. It's really fun to wear, and it's really pretty. Let's see if I can put it on so you can see what it looks like on. Isn't that fun? Such a fun little bracelet. I love it. Okay, I also made some other things to match it. So let's look at those matching things. Earrings, of course, gotta have my matching earrings. Again, my favorite ear wires and those medallion drops, they just go with everything. And I just did a stack, and then I did a stack on this necklace too, just like a couple stacked drops, and then I wired some of the little rounds that we got onto the medallion. I just thought it was kind of fun, made it more interesting, a little bit of a focal on there. I probably could have found another way to attach it, but that's what I ended up doing this time. And I just enjoy the set. Those are such pretty pearly pieces. I had such a great time creating with this box. I was able to make a lot of different necklaces and earrings and bracelets, and everything just was so much fun to work with. So I did manage to use almost everything in the box. I ended up with just a few things left, rondelles and rounds here, and then some of the bicones. And pretty much everything else I used, and it was a lot of fun. So there's a lot of potential in this box, and I can't wait to see what you all create with your Dusty Rose boxes. Please share that over in our Facebook group, The Creative Corner, and give us a like and a share. Of course, I love to read your comments, and we will catch you next month with another Creative Corner. Bye!